Hi, I'm Twyla with My Bilingual Life. I want to help you become bilingual. Today, I want to share with you the verb escribir. Escribir means to write. Escribir's conjugation is a regular IR verb in the present tense. Here's a chart with the subject pronouns. If you're not familiar with these, make sure to check out our videos so that you can be familiar with this and learn how it helps you in your conjugations. These are the regular IR endings for the regular IR verbs in the present tense. For escribir, we will have yo escribo. Tú escribes. Él escribe. Ella escribe. Usted escribe. Nosotros escribimos. Nosotras escribimos. Vosotros escribís. Vosotras escribís. Ellos escriben. Ellas escriben. Ustedes escriben. Let's read through these one more time. Yo escribo. Tú escribes. Él escribe. Ella escribe. Usted escribe. Nosotros escribimos. Nosotras escribimos. Vosotros escribís. Vosotras escribís. Ellos escriben. Ellas escriben. Ustedes escriben. Let's read through some sentences with these verbs. Yo escribo a mi mamá. I write to my mom. Yo escribo a mi mamá. Tú escribes la tarea. You write the homework. Tú escribes la tarea. La maestra escribe mucho. The teacher writes a lot. La maestra escribe mucho. Nosotros escribimos una carta. We write a letter. Nosotros escribimos una carta. Ellos escriben en español. They write in Spanish. Ellos escriben en español. I hope this has helped you learn the present tense verb conjugation of the verb escribir, to write. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our future videos. I'll see you soon. Nos vemos.